What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I look at BABA 2 times a week, every Wednesday and Friday. So let's take a look at what happened since Wednesday. You can see that price did drop lower on Thursday. We saw a nice gap up today, and then price started to slowly come back down to fill in that gap. So we closed right around the 86.66, and for the week that is a slight drop in price. So again, nothing much has happened for the past week for BABA. We're staying within the $88 level and the $84 level, so the mid to high 80s is where BABA is starting to trade sideways inside of. So again, overall BABA is still in bearish territory because we're seeing that price is below the EMA and below this trend line right over here, and the measurement target has not been reached at the low 80s, specifically the 81.10, possibly even the 80.30. So again, those two targets are still in play. Since price is still below the EMA in this trend line, there's a good chance we will continue to drop down lower next week or shortly after. However, measure moves aren't always reached, so let's just say we do find some type of support here and price does not want to go lower, it fails to go lower, then what you want to see is price shoot right through the EMA and the trend line, get back above that low $90 level, and pull back for higher prices or something like that. Either we don't pull back, meaning we just continue rushing up like that, that's even more bullish, or if price does pull back, it needs to find support above the mid $90 level, because that's a key level that was acting as some sort of resistance in the past, like right over here and somewhat right over here. And then it started finding support, then we broke through it multiple times, so it can always come back and find resistance at that level and continue down lower. Or if it does break through it, it can fail. But if it really wants to be bullish, it needs to break above it and hold it as support. That would be a very bullish sign. So again, that is the bull case, which is lower possibility of occurring right now. I'm looking for more downside. I think BABA is still on its way towards those lower price targets. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here is the weekly chart for BABA. Overall, it hasn't really done much. It's a very low volatile week. Price has been just going sideways for the most part, and price is still working its way lower to that $80 level. But again, measure move targets aren't always reached, and this could be the final attempt by the bears to reach that $80 level and even the larger measure move target at the $53 level. So this could be the final attempt, and once you see a rush above, that signifies that the bears failed to reach their target, which means the bulls can satisfy their target and possibly reach the 120 level. It would be a nice breakout of the 102 level, which can lead to the 120 level. So again, it can all depend on what the bulls and bears want to do at the end of the day. This is still bearish territory, and if the market decides to be bullish, then that would be the factors that would need to be coming into play on the chart for the price to be bullish. Until then, this is still in bearish territory, and there's a lot of resistances in the way that can still drop down price. So that's all I have for BABA this week, and I'll give you guys an update most likely next week, Wednesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.